package has arrived. In here is something so cool, and I've been wanting this for a long time, and the prices have come down on these things a lot because there is a lot of competition for a professional scan tool. I've already semi-opened it because I was so excited. Here we have is the Autel professional scan tool, the Maxicom MK808. Let's open it up. Comes in a nice blow molded case. And inside we have 2 packages of candy. Don't eat these. Here is the scanner itself. Here are your ports. You have your power button, USB, your diagnostic connector port, SD card slot, and a looks like a mini USB that says OBDII. We got the handle or the stand. You can drape it on the steering wheel if you have to. Here we have the cable. This end goes into your OBDII diagnostic port. This end goes into the scanner. And we have the charger and charger cable. We also have the user manual and reference guide. Let's see if this has any power. There we go. There'll be more videos on this later after I've had some time to play with it. So with that, we'll catch you next time. Bye.